Babalik po tayo dito sa Arena in San Juan. Let's hope the weather has let up. Medyo malakas-lakas po yung ulan ngayong early afternoon. Forced some folks maybe to stay home and watch the games. Well, thank you for tuning in to us dito lang sa Studio 23. Kanina po, Lasal nanalo sa UE in our first game, and this is just the beginning of our main event. Pineda rejected the first time, gets it through this time. Giselle C underhand set. Vargas is blocked. Good job by Guevara para sa Adamson. Pineda.
Oh, again, she wasted that point, and I like what Giselle C did. Remember the first time that Pineda went up, she got single blocked by Giselle C, a very short setter. What did Giselle do? Looked at Pineda, stared her down. I I like the ano ba tawag dyan? Court, ano ba na pang-asar ng ginagawa ni Giselle C as early as here in the first set.
It's not
against
just
Pineda.
a physical game, di ba? It's also a mental
very
game.
much.
If you psych out your opponent, obviously, baka manggigil, baka maasar.
That's right.
May iba ang laro.
Giselle C trying to get the ire of Pineda. Ito, kita mo, iniwasan niya ngayon si Giselle C. Kanina siya napunta?
Kay Palma.
Ang laki ni Palma.
Remy Palma. A big lady sa gitna ng depensa nitong FEU. C to the other side. Vargas powers that one in. Great save by Zapanta. Free ball para sa FEU. Here's Pineda again. Tips it over. Palma with a dump. Guevara doing a la Soriano in the middle. Good rally here. Vargas, just an easy over. Pineda.
Outside, she's bothered by that block.
Yun na nga yun, no? Pag naaapektuhan ng laro mo, nagbabago talaga yung pagbitaw mo sa bola, and she wanted to avoid all the blockers.
Right now, for Pineda, Giselle C looks like a 7th player.
Timeout si Coach Sherwin Meneses. Pakinggan natin ang Adamson.
Ginaganyan mo lang sa ibaba mo paluin. Hindi mo na pinapalo yung bola para mamamatay. Hindi tayo makapag-transition. Nati-tense tayo na nati-tense. Relax ka, napunta yung bola sa atin. First ball. Set, palo. Enough. Na-block, they cover.
For the fans, that was a very entertaining sequence. Pero in just that span of time, lamang na ng 6 ang FEU just like that.
Very early timeout in the match for Coach Meneses, but he had to do it. Mukhang nawawala na sa rotation or sa focus itong Adamson squad. Well, what did he do during the timeout? Just remind the girls, hey, we have our possessions, we got to receive well, we attack, make sure we go for the point. So, review niya lang. Let's see if Adamson can follow up.
Well, hindi sila naka-atake doon. That was a free ball para sa FEU. Ito si Pineda, blocked again. This is Pisa. Great save.
Nice save.
By the big girl.
Oh, there she is in the middle.
Remy Palma, good job on the save. Comes back up, jumps for the kill.
Coach Ness very pleased with what he's seeing. He doesn't want the girls to add to his white hair for this game.
Wala na yata magagawa.
Kept alive almost by Agno.
Almost saved, but not quite.
That was a good effort from FEU, but Adamson still getting that point. Still down by 6.
Guevara, who steadily improved as well throughout the years, you know? Very inconsistent during her younger years, pero ngayon she really can defend and can play, you know, the middle and the quick para sa Adamson. Lalo na pag umikot si Pau Soriano sa likod, ano?
At least meron siyang opposite na magiging kapalit niya when she moves back row. That ball was that point was from Vargas, hitting it off the block. Again, the power will be always there for Vargas, and I like the way she sometimes changes and hits it off the block. So that gives the blockers a different look each and every time.
This is what happens when you get Pau Soriano back in the middle. If you're Adamson, I mean, she is
instantly
just automatic points when you need it.
Free ball. Oh!
Basang-basa ni Makatuno yung depensang yun.
Palma you can see how inexperienced she is when it comes to those 50-50 balls in the middle. You have to be aggressive each and every time. Makatuno, a veteran setter, medyo over yung reception, over-received. So, she will always have that option. Nakita niya walang sumabay, she's gonna go for it.
Easy point for Adamson, but Palma will try to get it back. She does. Para kay Palma, hindi kailangang perfect yung set mo, no? Aabutin na lang, eh.
And you can see one of the things that you have to, or that you will see in a player that's very young, who's only new, is that every point, whether she loses it or she wins it, lilingon yan sa coach. So, Palma laging nakatingin.
Tama ba yung ginawa ko?
Tama ba yung ginawa ko? Ganun talaga. Pag yung mga veterano na, di na lumilingon. Kanya-kanya na yan.
Zapanta. Ooh! Right smack on the kisser of Remy Palma. That's a message sent out in all caps by Zapanta. Take another look.
Against two blockers, she splits it. Palma. She was in the spot, but instead of going for the underhand, she should have gone for the overhand dig. Oh, nice save.
Good job by Pisa. Make that listana pala.
Ooh.
Adamson, but wow, bumawi agad si Rojas with a perfect kill.
Again, Giselle C seeing that the defense of Adamson still not set. Tingnan. She saw that and she goes for the quick attack. No blockers, defense still in disarray. Great setup job by Giselle for Rojas.
59, a commanding lead by FEU here in set number 1. C.
Nice dig by Zapanta.
That wasn't even close para kay Cortel.
Sayang.
So 16-9 here in set number 1. In full control are the Lady Tamaraos over the Lady Dantons. Take that break. Get ready for what's next.